Looking for a quick, budget-friendly dinner the whole family will love? Today on CMT Kitchen, we're making the best Sarciadong Tilapia, perfectly crispy fried fish topped with a rich, savory tomato egg sauce. Let's get cooking. First step, let's prep our 2 pieces of tilapia. Make sure they are thoroughly cleaned, then season with a generous pinch of salt to add flavor and help get that extra crispy skin when frying. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, carefully lay in the tilapia. Fry until the skin turns a rich golden brown and crispy, then flip to cook the other side. Once both sides are crispy and fully cooked through, remove the fish from the pan and set them aside. While the fish rests, chop up the garlic, onion, and fresh tomatoes. In a separate pan, heat a small splash of oil. Start by sautéing the minced garlic and chopped onion until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, add in the fresh tomatoes. Sauté them thoroughly until they soften up and release their natural juices. Now, let's season our sauce base with ground black pepper, seasoning granules, and fish sauce. Mix everything well so the flavors blend together. After that, pour in 2 cups of water. Give it a quick stir, cover, and let it simmer for a few minutes so the broth gets infused with all that delicious tomato flavor. While it simmers, beat the 2 eggs in a bowl. Now for the best part, slowly pour in the scrambled eggs while gently stirring the simmering broth. Look at those beautiful egg ribbons forming in the sauce. Right before the egg cooks completely, lay the fried tilapia back into the pan. Generously coat the fish with that rich tomato egg sauce so it absorbs all the wonderful flavors. And there you have it! Our crispy Sarciadong Tilapia with tomato egg sauce is ready to serve. It smells incredible and goes perfectly with a warm plate of rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more easy and delicious home-cooked meals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!